Today it's the day everyone will be scared. Now it's time for me to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I got to hurry.
It's the fire alarm. Run. Somebody caused the fire.
I know who did this. It's Rosie.
Rosie, get back here. Did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes I did.
Oh. Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. We're going home now. Rosie. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. That's it. You're EXE grounded for 5 EXE years. Go to your room now. And stop crying like a spoiled brat.
That's the end of another Rosie Gets Grounded. Please like, subscribe and follow me on social media for more videos. Goodbye. See you in the next videos.